Excuse my lips, but I just effed them up so badly that this situation right now ain't cute, but we're gonna have to deal with it, okay?
Ooh, Barracuda.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. So for today's video, we're gonna do a little makeup haul since I bought a shit ton of new makeup, all from the drugstore, so affordable. I will put the prices up on screen just so you know how much everything is. If you like something, you know your price point. Like QVC, okay? Since we're friends, you know, I'm just gonna sit down and show you what I got at the store. I do not like this angle. This is just... Let's just jump in because I really want to show you guys what I got. Can I just jump in and show you the best palette right now that I'm obsessed with already? I have played around with it, swatched it and stuff, and I think you guys are going to be obsessed with it as much as I am, okay? It is the Milani Gilded Rouge palette. Oh my gosh. I will show you swatches right now, but I was captured with the foils and the shimmers. They are unbelievably pigmented. So this is the blue I'm wearing tonight. It's the colour Wait What? And the colours I wore last night is Wifey mixed with Avec. So this is the blue. I'll do a bit of swatch so you guys can see. But this is the blue I'm wearing on my eye tonight. That's from my hair. You see my arm? Straight here. Oh, bitch. Look at this beautiful blue. I've been looking for this sort of foil for a while. It shifts colour, which I am obsessed with. I have been looking for this colour forever. I'm obsessed right now with this bluey, purpley, pinkish foil that shifts when light hits it. I have been looking everywhere, and as soon as I seen this in the store, I knew I had to buy it. So my favourite colours from this palette is Wifey and of course, wait, what? This gold colour carrot, oh my god. Bitch, let's just do it here. Oh my god. It's just an amazing palette. It's the Milani Gilded Rouge palette, guys. You should totally get it just for the foils alone. So I basically spent £30 just on these three colours, but this palette is so versatile. You can do so many looks with this. I'm just realising you could do a beautiful purple look. So because that palette does have foils in it and some glitter toppers, I did pick up the NYX glitter glue, which is, you know, the go-to glitter glue, I feel like. It is totally worth it though. It does do the job. It does work. It is amazing for the foils and stuff. But yeah, that's just a glitter primer. Not much we can do about that. So I picked this up and just used it tonight, just a little bit. It is the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme. I have got these in the other two colours, the Molded Gold or something. I don't know. But I didn't have this one, and this is in the colour Diamond Glow, and it's the lightest colour, which these are so pigmented and so affordable. I think they're like £8. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This Chrome Extreme highlighter from Maybelline is the bomb! They do have 3 colours in Boots, no, Superdrug. They do have 3 colours in Superdrug, but I don't know if they do it anymore. I've got all 3. I love the darkest one when I'm tanned. This one is extremely light, so just put this on certain areas, like at the top of the cheekbone and stuff. Or just throw it all over your face. I don't give a shit what you do, okay? Makeup is makeup, and makeup is your own creation. So I couldn't find a smaller brush, but I just grabbed this little fan brush by Real Techniques just to show you guys what it looks like on the cheeks. You see that? Look at this. Oh my god. Come on. So I also just quickly picked up this Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation because I used to be obsessed with it. I did get in a darker colour because I have been tanning a lot recently. This is in the colour Light Bronze. It is gorgeous on the skin. It leaves a beautiful glowy dewy look to your skin. Whilst I'm talking about the foundation, I did quickly pick up the Lasting Radiance Concealer by Rimmel. I've been using this as cream bronzer basically, just to bring some life and colour back into my skin. I've just been using it on my normal places I would, you know, put bronzer on, but just underneath. Anyway, let's just move on to the next product. I'm so excited. So I picked up this lipstick collection by Revolution Pro. It is the pinks. I will do some swatches on my arm right now, but it has 5 full-size lipsticks in it, which you wouldn't think looking at it. The box is really quite small. They do have other colours in the collection. I think they had the nudes and the browns, I think. It was like something like that anyway. And I thought I would steer clear of my browns because I always do go for like a browny, dark, winey lip. I thought I would try some light nude pink colours for a change. I'm so excited to see how the formula is for these because I don't think I've tried a Revolution lipstick in a while, like a long ass time. So it's actually very creamy. It looks almost wet. But I thought it was great for the price. You were getting 5 full-size lipsticks, you know what I mean? Can't really fucking complain. Anyway, so I'm realising now looking at the products in front of me on the table, I got a lot of NYX products. For instance, I got 3 lip liners. Actually, one of them is an eyeliner. So I got the blue eyeliner from NYX in the colour Sapphire, and I'm wearing it in my eyes right now in my waterline. It is so nice. I am obsessed. I think I'm gonna wear it with every damn look. I just love the dark blue royal colour. It is gorgeous. It just goes perfect with blue eyes, especially if you're doing like light blues in the eyes and with little sparkles. This looks amazing in the waterline. We're bored of black. Okay, let's move on to colours now when it comes to eyeliner. I also picked up 2 of their lip liners. Oh my god, I love NYX for the lip liners. They're so affordable. I think they're like £4. I want them in every colour because they work marvellous. So I got the colour Sandstorm and the colour Peach Don't Kill My Vibe. This is an orangey colour. It's almost like a dark peach. Gorgeous. I was stepping away from browns as I said before, but I wasn't stepping away that much because I've got a brown here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But you cannot go wrong with NYX lip liners, to be honest guys. They have sort of taken me away from my MAC Spice. I'm usually obsessed. Now the reason I got the colour Peach Don't Kill My Vibe is because I picked up this colour right here. This is the NYX Liquid Suede and it is in the colour Orange County. I've been dying to get my hands on a colour like this recently. I've been seeing a lot of people using this orangey red online and I love it. So I picked this up because I really want, should I just try it out just now actually? No. This is a cream liquid lipstick. It is gorgeous. I mean, oh, bitch. Such an unusual colour, but these sort of colours go great with blue eyes. Blue eyeshadow, I mean guys, not just blue pupils. These sort of colours go great with blue eyeshadow, and because it is a cream, it really blends out beautifully on the lips. I used it last night. I'll show you a picture right now. I had to try it out. Let's just put some on right now, guys, shall we? Just a little touch of orange. I really love the formula. I do want to try and get other colours for that lip cream because NYX is really killing it with their lip products recently. So affordable and drugstore. You know me, bitch. I love a deal. Oh my god, I forgot I picked this up. Who is this by? This is by NYX as well. Jeez, I was on a NYX kick. This is their Filler Instinct. Now, it's supposed to be a plumping lip polish. I really want to try this to see if it works. It's supposed to plump the lips. Shall we see if it works on camera? By the end of it, I'll be looking like, oh my god, it's such a beautiful colour. This is in the colour Sparkling Please. Oh my god. What the fuck? That is so beautiful. It's like a gold. I didn't know it was going to be gold.
I love gold.
Guys, I think I'm in love. This colour, I was not expecting. I thought it was going to be more pinky, but it is a beautiful iridescent goldy colour. It has a lot of sparkle to it, a lot of and I think I'm going to be obsessed with this. I can definitely feel the plumping effect. It's sort of doing that whole stinging thing. I don't mind it though, I like the burny feeling. I can't really feel it, it's not bothering me. But if you've got very sensitive lips, I wouldn't buy this just in case you look like a blob doll, like a sex doll. Since I'm on NYX lip stuff, the last NYX lip product I bought was NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It is beautiful. It is not as drying as a liquid lipstick. You know how liquid lipsticks do go that very dry way and you feel uncomfortable? Well, this is more of a soft cream so it doesn't aggravate the lips, and this is in the colour Los Angeles. Another product I picked up was just eyelashes, and I picked up the Ardell Naturals. I buy these for looks where I've maybe done a cut crease and got a lot of glitter and I want people to see that eye look, I will pick up the naturals so they're not taking up too much space and you can still see through them. Right now I'm wearing the Ardell Wispies. I thought I'd go down the natural eyelash route for a change instead of that heavy drag eyelash. They are just perfect for when you want to. They are just perfect for you when. They are just perfect for you. They are just fuck my life. It's because it's nearly 8 AM guys and I am getting tired. The next product I am so excited for, it is the Profusion Sparkle Pigments. Oh my god. This is the 6 eyeshadow pigment set and it even comes with a brush. I mean, come on, the packaging alone just dragged me in. Look at these pigments, you can do so much with them, so many eye looks. I'm excited to use this silver for a whole New Year's look. I think it just really screams New Year party. It even comes with its own pigment adhesive. I'm just so excited to use these. So excited. I will do some swatches on my arms so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, hit it bitch. For 6 pigments, a brush and the adhesive, you cannot complain at the price. Again, this was drugstore. I got this from Boots. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colours. That red is screaming Christmas to me. I did actually buy other glitter pigments just for toppers because I realised I needed some. I did not have a lot. I think I only had about 2. And then I'm wondering why the hell I can't create these like different eyes. I'm sticking to the same eye looks because I don't have the pigments and stuff to create bold looking fucking looks. So I did pick up some other glitters and one I've got here is Glitter Rush by Barry M. It is body glitter, but let's be honest, it's getting used in my eye. So I got the Glitter Wonderland. I am excited to use that. It's an almost emerald green duochrome. So excited to use this for a look. So another glitter that I picked up is the NYX Glitter Brilliance. And this is for the face and body. It's in the colour Ice. Now, I picked this up because I was talking to the girl at the NYX stand. She says this is amazing for mixing with foundation, or if you really want that blinding highlight, spray your brush, dip this in, boom, boom, boom. Should we actually try it? Fuck it, let's try it. I'm sorry if you can hear any noise in the background, guys, but my cat is sleeping and snoring like a motherfucker. She looks comfy. She's actually sleeping on my ring light bag. Let's just try this out right now as a highlight. So I've got rose water here and I'm just going to spray the brush a little. Dip it in. Are you ready for this, guys? Because I don't know if I am. Oh my god, look at that highlight, guys. Oh my god, can you imagine that in flash photography? That would blind someone. That would blind a man. So that was in the colour Ice. I'm loving how blinding it is. Damn. Pigments are great if you really want that oomph for highlights, especially for photo shoots and stuff. I wouldn't do it if I was going out, that'd be a bit too much, but do you. If you want to do it, do you. I also picked up their colour Glee, or Glide. GLI. This would be a more eyeshadow topper. I would use this for a cut crease with the NYX Glitter Glue. I don't see the point in putting down a concealer when you can just use this. It does the exact same job. You're covering that area, that cut crease with glitter anyway. So I would cut my crease with this and then I would add a glitter on top just to bring that eye look to a whole other level. This is definitely a night out glitter. Very New Year's Eve party. Trying to find that boy to kiss, you know. One of the products I'm so excited to try is this Gorgeous Glow Jelly Highlighter by Collection. It is in the colour Royalty. It's a bouncy highlighter for face and body and it's vegan. Oh my god. I'll just take some from the lid. If you do this and do that. I mean, look at that already. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks more golden camera from here. It's got this bluey pink iridescent glow to it and I am so excited to use it. By the end of this I'm just gonna look like a disco ball, to be honest. Oh my god, what the hell? Yeah, that is amazing, that colour. So yeah, that is the Collection Gorgeous Glow Jelly Highlighter. Oh my god. As you can see, I'm obsessed with sparkly glowy things. So as I was saying that I don't like being pale anymore as a vampire, I have been fake tanning, and the fake tanning I have been obsessed with and use constantly is this Garnier natural bronzer. My voice is disappearing because I've been up too late. This is a natural bronzer by Garnier. It's a self-tanning mist. It's so easy to just do yourself and you look so beautiful and glowy the next day. This is in the, is it the natural? Yeah, this is natural. This is just in the middle, so this is medium basically. The light is a little bit too light. This gives your skin a beautiful natural glow, I would say. You can go a little bit more heavier with it and leave it on a little bit longer and you will be a lot more dark. But for now, I just really like using this for college days and stuff, and I want to feel pretty and glowy, especially during the winter when you're as pale as a ghost. Talking about tan, I picked up this NYX matte bronzer. I love the matte bronzer by NYX. This, however, is in the darker colour. This is in the shade, where is it? Medium. Usually if I'm doing my natural days going to college and just want a bit of concealer and bronzer on, I would use the colour light. This is medium and I don't know if it may work a little bit better when I'm tanned as hell. I just wanted to pick it up just to try. It's amazing. It's matte, so you're not getting glitter or like those sparkly particles everywhere over the face. It looks a lot more natural. Not much else I can say about it. It's bronzer. You guys should know what bronzer is by now, okay, if you're watching this video this far. And the last product I want to talk about is not makeup or body related. It's something I've been wanting to try for a while now. It is contact lenses, colour contact lenses. So I got them in a very icy blue toned and I'm so excited. I was going to wear them tonight with this eye look, but because I have glitter on my eyes, I didn't want to, you know, chance it just in case. These actually last up to 9 months if you're taking care of them properly. I got the solution with it. This is the Mesmerise Eyes multi-purpose solution. I don't really know what I'm doing yet with coloured contacts, but I'm going to try. I really want to just spice it up. I'm just sick of these eyes bored. If you can see my natural eyes, I've actually got a brown bar and my iris is almost broken off. I've had it since I was a kid and some days it looks bigger and some days it's smaller. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to see that underneath those blue contacts, hopefully not. So yeah, that is all my products, that is my makeup haul. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit like, subscribe and all that other generic bullshit insert here. Be sure to hit the notification bell down below guys, because sometimes you won't be able to know that I've uploaded a video because YouTube is fucking fucked up that way. So if you hit that notification bell, it will notify you via your phone and you will get the first look at my video. It will tell you straight away that Scott McGoldrick has uploaded a brand new video. So do that please, it helps out a lot and it really does help out a lot more if you like the video, so I know what type of videos I have to create for you. So that like button just isn't there for nothing. I do actually look at it and see which content I should create, because there's no point in me creating content if you guys don't want to see it. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video guys, I really do appreciate it. Be sure to go listen to me and Michael's podcast, High Tea. The link is down below. It is X-rated, it's for adults only, and we say this stuff I can't say on YouTube. Love ya! Mwah! Now I need to go clean up all this mess. Fuck my life, and then take off my face. And then jump to a shop for £1 bar of Galaxy. That bitch. Starving.
Ooh, Barracuda.
Why does every drink turn into 12? Every weekend